Welcome to Homework Lib.
Hi, in the given problem, in a two-slit interference experiment, the amplitude of resultant wave at any point on the screen. Here, if these are the two slits, S1 and S2, this is the screen, and here this is the center of the screen. So definitely we are going to get a maxima at the center of the screen, but at any other point the waves reaching there will be having a phase difference and hence a path difference, and the amplitude of resultant wave at this point P is given as a square of the resultant amplitude is equal to a1 square of the amplitude of the wave coming from slit S1 plus a2 square that coming from S2 plus 2a1 a2 and cosine of phi, where phi is the phase difference between the waves reaching at this point P. Now, as we know, intensity of the wave is equal to the square of amplitude, and the intensity of the wave coming from these two slits will be equal. So we can say I1 is equal to I2 is equal to x. Let it be x. So first of all, the resultant intensity here will be given by I is equal to, for I1 this is x, for I2 here a2 square will be equal to I2, that is also x, plus 2 times of a1, and a here will be equal to square root of I. So for a1 this is the square root of I1 means x1, x, 2 times of x into x and cos phi. So finally, the resultant intensity at any point over the screen is given as 2x plus 2x cos phi. Now, at the center, as the phase difference is always equals to 0 degree, so cos phi means cos 0 degree, it will be equal to 1. That's why we can say intensity at the central maxima, which is given in the problem as I0. So that will be 2x plus 2x into cos 0 degree, which is 1. So it will come out to be 4x. Hence we can say intensity of the light coming out of each slit is actually equal to I0 by 4. Now, in the first part of the problem, at a point over the screen, phase difference is given as 60 degree. So intensity at that point will be given as 2x plus 2x into cosine of 60 degree. So here it is 2x plus 2x into half the value of cosine of 60 degree. So it will come out to be 3x, or finally we can say this is 3I0 by 4, which is the answer for the first part of this problem. Now, at the same point in second part of the problem, at the same point where phase difference is equal to 60 degree, it can also be represented in terms of radian. So in radian, this is pi by 3 radian. Hence, at that point, we have to find path difference, and we know path difference is related with the phase difference as path difference equals to lambda by 2 pi into phase difference. For lambda, it is given as 480 nanometer divided by 2 pi into, for phase difference this is pi by 3. Cancelling this pi, then it will come out to be the path difference is equal to 80 nanometer, which becomes the answer for the second part of this problem. Thank you.